All right, hello. So, yeah, I'm Christoph. I'm co-founder of 12K. We doing automating business research and using our technology to also do business research. So today I'm going to show you like a quick demo of a small product that we released a few months ago, and then I go directly into a technology case where I also show some source code. So it's getting a bit more geeky. So the basic stuff that we do is like is that okay? All right. We crawling and obtaining like information from the web and from other sources like databases. Then we have an analyze layer where we evaluate this information and put them into structured knowledge. I just look on that, otherwise, okay. So, and then we define some indicators. For example, I just go like with an example. We getting from the media like companies and technology topics and upcoming trends. And in the end, like over here, we have then our products, which the first one, where we're using this data, the first one I show you now. This is our filter, since you are like all interested in technology probably. This is like a smart tech aggregator for tech news. So you can just go to filter12k.co, choose a topic. For example, I go now to artificial intelligence. So here we show you how the media attention, this goes a bit into a direction how our trend analysis works. So we show you the best media articles that are aggregated. We have some relevant scoring based on social shares, topic fit, language constructs, and content. We're doing like some estimations. For example, if you find forecasts in the media articles, you can also filter with them. And yes, what we're doing now, try to find a use case for this. Second, this is all pretty diverse stuff. Second, all right, it's not here. So we're doing also clustering of articles. Here we go. So if we find like articles about the same story, we cluster them. We're using their paragraph vectors or document vector embeddings. So for similarity analysis, in the end, you can just like press subscribe and you get every day or every week, you can choose that, like the best 5 articles about this. So yeah, it's automated smart tech aggregator. So I'm going now into the tech topic to get the problem a bit. So we have a problem with unstructured data, and also here our algorithms, that they have like a particular quality or prediction confidence or prediction accuracy. So the question is, how can I model my knowledge representation, this one? So I get like a lot of data points, for example, for the same event. For example, for a funding event, I get this like 5 times in the media. How can I like say, okay, this is about the same stuff, and this is probably really a good structured data in the end. So let's go into this thing. So this is like actually Python code. I can execute it like in the slides. Okay, this is still not mine. All right. So so I created now a new organization, Tesla. With this Tesla, the domain is tesla.com, Twitter ID @Tesla, and then a description, Tesla Motors Incorporated. I got this like from a database, how we use sometimes licensed data as well. The quality is really questionable still if we compare it to even qual data. It's like a big problem that we're trying to achieve to solve here. So I created a new company. Now I skip this because this is a bit. Now let's see what our beliefs about Tesla are now. So I have here my data points. I think because I gave the data source a confidence or a quality score about 0.9, I know the name is Tesla, the domain is tesla.com, I have the description, and I have this Twitter ID here. So now what our system is going to do, it goes more deeply into the case or into the data points. For example, it goes now to tesla.com, twitter.com/Tesla. It will take this right. So, and this is a Twitter account that was connected in the data I license. It's, how you can see, not about Tesla, it's like a BMW. So this is like from a mother who doesn't like electric cars probably. So analyst or a human would now go to this and take like different measures to see, okay, is it like about Tesla or not? What we're doing right now, we have to get into this problem obtaining the data. I can do now like a topic classification about the Twitter description, and it shows like family, marketing, publishing, education. My original description that I have like in the other data set was automatically classified using LDA here, or LDA-based model, for energy, battery, automotive. Then we see now our beliefs about Tesla. These are like still okay, but here is like a similarity, a topic similarity, only about like 0.07%. That means this is most probably invalid. Also, the origins and the other data that is derived from this is probably invalid. So the question is, how do we solve this? We can just say from some thresholds, if it's like under this, just throw it away. Is it over this, just take it. Or we can say, if you're not certain, then ask a human. So I just do this. I put it into my knowledge graph, and how you can see here, our backend is connected to Slack. If like an updater is coming, it says, okay, is Tesla Twitter handle really connected to this? And I can check it out again as a human. I mean, before it was actually a script that did it. So I can say no, and yeah, the bot is happy that I have the same opinion like he had already. And yeah, in the end, I can quickly show this again. If I reload my data, I can have like these data points, and all these like connected with that are invalidated. Now I probably have to go to the website and try to get the real Twitter account to get the data from there. Yeah, thanks, and visit filter12k.co to apply for this, and otherwise, based on this, there will be a product out probably next year. Thanks.
Hi. What web agent do you use for collecting the data from Twitter websites?
How to crawl or use the API from Twitter. Yeah, this is a thing you can choose. You have like recommendations on the API, of course, and you have to see them. Ask me after the talk.
So, do you have any API, or you just provide the news on your website?
This one is just a product to, also the cable. Yes. So one is just a product that we put out in between to evaluate and bit our technology. So this what I showed now will like go into our next product, and there will be maybe an API or an SDK to use this. But right now we mostly use that for our own business research products, because we have like corporate clients that asking us, hey, can you do like venture scannings, innovation, research on topics like landscaping and mapping and stuff like that. So we're using this, and at the same time we developing a software as a service, then maybe with an API.
How do you do to crawl the web, and do you have your own servers, and how long does it take for you to crawl everything?
So we mostly crawl media. That means like a search engine also does. We build an index on that. In the end, it's like, yeah, what we get out is like search engine. So they are like, we have sitemap crawlers, RSS feed crawlers, and we're crawling like a few hundred publications mostly. They are like adaptive crawlers that can find, if you have like 50 to 100 crawlers, you can easily get the content automatically out with like 98% chance of news website at least. Yeah. I mean, if you want to really go deeper into technology and headless Chrome and whatever, yeah, ask me after that. Yeah.